Today, I've got something super exciting for you, especially if you have got some little ones at home bouncing off the walls during the summer vacations. See, as a parent, I can understand how difficult it is to keep our kids engaged and keep them off those addictive gadgets at home. Well, don't worry because I've got a delicious solution for your problem. So, let's help our extra energetic kids do something fruitful in their off time. Let's take them into the kitchen and inculcate the love for food in those little minds. Let's make them dive into the magic of chocolate. And this is what we need for this delicious science experiment in our kitchen. So, we need about 500 grams of white chocolate, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Ayurvedic strawberry powder, 1 tablespoon of Ojasvita chocolate powder, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of Thandai masala powder, and about 300 ml of hot milk, which is divided into 4 equal parts. Now comment products to get the brand details of each of these products so you don't go wrong with the quality of the products you are using for this recipe. Now here is where the fun begins, and we will try to keep it super simple. So first up, melt that white chocolate in the microwave. Now don't worry if you do not have a microwave in your kitchen. Just comment chocolate in case you would like to know how to melt chocolate without using microwave, and I will share an informative tutorial to help you solve this problem. Now once the chocolate is melted very well and it is all smooth and creamy, divide it into 4 equal parts. And let's get creative. Ask your child to add our special ingredients in each of these chocolatey bowls. And do not forget to explain what is the importance of each of these ingredients. So let me share a few to help you out here. We add turmeric powder for that golden skin glow and to boost our immune system. Our next ingredient, which is the Ayurvedic strawberry powder, it is packed with fruity goodness and antioxidants, and it will make your chocolate so much worth it. So do not skip this recipe at all. Next up in the line is Ojasvita chocolate powder. Because who doesn't love an extra chocolatey cake, isn't it? But with the chocolate, let's also add that coffee powder for an extra chocolatey cake. By the way, you can skip coffee in case of toddlers. A hint of coffee powder for that little caffeine buzz is added just for the grown-up kids. And the last one is the Thandai masala powder for a burst of flavor and some cooling goodness. Now I am using my homemade Thandai masala powder over here, but you can also buy Thandai masala from the market and use it for this particular recipe. Comment Thandai to get recipe for my homemade Thandai masala powder. Now ask your child to grab their favorite chocolate mold or even a small teacup paper will do for this recipe. Gently pour in these flavored chocolates, and at this point of time also explain a thing or two about food wastage. See, kids love to learn if we teach them why and what of a particular thing, and they will remember it for the rest of their life. Ask your child to pop a candy stick on top for some extra fun. Now let your child place this tray into the refrigerator for a quick chill. Give this tray about 15 to 30 minutes to set, and then it is show time. Can you see how beautifully they are set? They are looking gorgeous. They are looking all fancy and ready to be devoured. You can enjoy them as is, or you can use them in the milk. And the candy stick your child had inserted in the previous step, it can be used as a stirrer or as a spoon as well. Isn't that amazing? Now hit that like button if you are already falling in love with this recipe. Drop one of these beauties into a glass of a hot milk and watch the magic happen as the chocolate starts to melt and swirl. It's like a mini science experiment right in your kitchen. But wait. There is more. Once this milk cools down completely, you can blend it up into a delicious milkshake as well. So you can add in some flavored ice cream, you can add some whipped cream for that extra treat. Now, here is a real secret sauce about getting your kids involved into the kitchen recipes. Cooking with your little ones isn't just about making yummy treats, but it is also about teaching them important life skills and boosting their confidence as well. And don't you think it also creates that beautiful bond between you and your child? So, it's time to get creative. Tell me in the comments your innovative recipes. Maybe you will add some cake crumbs and make thick shakes or whip up something entirely new. And I would love to know what you are cooking. Ask your kids what innovations they would like to bring in this recipe. I would love to see their responses as well in the comments below. After this, ask your child to get creative with packaging these amazing treats. Encourage them to give homemade goodies to their loved ones and their friends. People appreciate those gifts where one puts their time and effort making something unique and delicious like these homemade chocolates. The packaging could be as simple as wrapping them into chocolate foil papers and placing them into gift boxes like these ones. I'm sure your kids are going to share so many ideas for gifting that even you and I can't think of. And like so, we have come to the end of this delicious tutorial. Now, if you have stayed for so long, that means you are liking my videos. So hit that like button and subscribe if not already done for more fun recipes to keep your kiddos entertained all summer long. And hey, share this video with all the parents out there who could use a little kitchen inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!